Audio Fidelity Records presents a new stereophonic sound spectacular. The world of stereo is filled with spectacular sound surprises. As I was saying, stereo is full of surprises. In an instant, stereo can magically transport you to the concert hall. Or to a bowling alley. Or to a jazz band ball. Here's a vocalist we all know.
I went down to St. James Infirmary, saw my baby there. She was stretched out on a long white table, so cold, so sweet, so fair.
All of us are born with the miraculous ability to determine the direction from which sounds approach us. We're able to tell in an instant where a particular sound comes from. In fact, we have an instinctive emotional need to be able to orient ourselves in terms of sound sources. Therefore, stereophonic reproduction offers us the most natural and satisfying way of listening to recorded sound. Yes, through the miracle of stereo, all of the brilliant sound, the dynamic presence, the complete situational aspect of a great orchestra or a great event can be reproduced in what is virtually a live performance in your very own living room. As long as we're getting a bit technical, I'd like to remind you that most women and children can perceive higher frequencies of sound than most men. This demonstration consists of a continuous sweep of audio frequencies from 50 cycles to past the limit of audibility. First, 50 cycles to 500 cycles. .500 cycles to 5,000 cycles. $5,000 to 10,000. $10,000 to 15,000. 15,000 cycles to infinity. By sampling the wealth of music and sound effects available on Audio Fidelity stereo discs, you can take a trip around the world without leaving your easy chair. Join me at the airport for a jet flight. First stop, Moscow, and a cartoon in stereo.
Only way to settle this argument is to play Russian roulette. Do you know how to play Russian roulette?
No, I don't.
You play Russian roulette this way. I have this pistol. One bullet in chamber. Spin cylinder. Cock the gun. Hold the gun to your head and pull the trigger. I go first. Good luck. Now you go. Here is the pistol. Aha, you lose.
What do you say we make it 2 out of 3?
Let's move on to Vienna before we all get shot. Getting over the Alps from Austria to sunny Italy might be somewhat of a problem in a Model T Ford. Now, here is speedier transportation to Paris. Watch out.
Et la queue. Alouette. 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 Gentille alouette. Alouette, je te plumerai. Alouette, gentille alouette. Alouette, je te plumerai.
A submarine offers a unique mode of travel to Port Said. That's if we make it.
Stand by to dive. Take her down.
Executive officer reporting, sir.
Engine room secure.
Aye, sir.
Torpedoes ready.
Aye, sir.
Rear hatch closed.
Aye, sir.
Forward hatch closed.
Forward hatch, sir?
Yes, forward hatch. Forward.
They're playing our song.
لا تحكي لي ولا تشكي لي هون ميلي يا ريت اعرف بتحبيني هون ميلي هون ميلي هون ميلي هون ميلي.
Hey, I'm up here in a whirlybird, hovering over the Plaza de Toros. Last stop, New York, the capital of the world.
Going up, step to the rear of the car, please. Second floor, ladies' bargain counter. Third floor, children's department, toys and games. floor, cafeteria, tea room. Fifth floor, complaint department.
Look here. I want to register a complaint.
Next, please.
The dramatic separation of sounds is the most spectacular feature of stereo reproduction. For instance, on the left, now on the right. By means of stereo separation, it's possible to recreate for the listener the exact placement of musical sounds or other effects just as they were situated at the time of recording. The magnificent engineering in Audio Fidelity stereo discs offer the maximum stereo separation that can be reproduced by present-day playback equipment. Now, pay close attention to this stereo phenomenon. The stereo groove, which follows this announcement, contains two separate programs of music which sound like this when played together at the same time by the same stylus in the same groove. But by listening to either Channel A or Channel B separately, you have your choice of symphonic music or jazz, with minimum crosstalk or interference between channels. Lest we forget, let's get in all those traditional stereo effects. Anybody for ping pong? On the other side of this record, sample selections from Audio Fidelity's spectacular array of stereo discs.